potatoes. I'm going to record a look today. Hopefully I can not break my own rule, but I'm going to try and do a look with absolutely no browns and no red lipstick because all my eyes have been brown and all my videos have had red lipstick pretty much besides like one, and it's fine. Like, that's my thing. I've realized it like I don't know how many videos later, 6, 7, 10 videos later, obviously that's my thing. And so Caroline keeps saying I need to get out of my comfort zone and do like bigger, brighter, bolder looks. I don't know how bigger, brighter, bolder this is going to be, but I have an idea in my head. But my only goal is to not use browns and red lipstick by the end of this video. So I already have my base on, bronzer, brush, and highlight. I just said brush, blush, and highlight. Eyebrows, obviously a little bit of mascara. I almost dropped that. I'm going to restrict myself to my 3 new palettes I got way more than 3, but yes, there is browns in these, but I'm not going to use them. And the colors I have in my head, I know for a fact there's like 4 of the colors I want, but the color I want for under eye, I don't know if there's one in there that I want, but I hope there is. I'm going to stick to this. All of these are Pinky Rose. I got them for my birthday, so I'm just going to open them all up and show you. Hopefully it's a really big pan, so hopefully show you the whole thing just so you can look at it. I haven't watched any videos with Pinky Rose in it. Like, I haven't gone on my way to find them, so I don't know. There could be millions of videos people using Pinky Rose products, so I just want to show you a quick little pan swatch. I'm not swatching them. I want you to see what colors are inside of these. So inside of Rustic Rose, there are these fun colors. Let's see if you can get that. Obviously tons of colors I would normally use, but I'm going to try to avoid, and I'm currently hoping I'm getting all of these colors that I'm showing you because the palette's so big it blocks my face, so I honestly don't know. So that's the first one. I'm gonna try to lay these out so I can like dig all across the board. The next one is I Said Yes Volume 1. I've been meaning to look to see if there's a Volume 2. For this one, to stay with my rule I made for myself, I honestly don't know if I'm going to dip into this one too much because this one's pretty much neutral colors. Yeah, pretty much neutral colors, and doesn't like a oddball. I feel like the most oddball color is this bright yellow gold. Very cute. Okay, this next one is why I am here. Like, oh my god, I was drawn to this one. Straight drawn to it. Pinky Rose Runway. Honey, you can tell I've swatched this. Yes, you can. These are such bold colors and out of my comfort zone. Majority of what I'm going to be using is going to be from this palette for this look today. And I feel like I think I'm going to have to cheat for one color because I really want a purple color, and this one's just a little too pink for me. So I may jump into my Morphe 39A palette. I feel like there's a purple in there. What I have in my mind, I want to come out because it's going to be, in my mind, it's going to be some different colors, but I want to make sure I have like the one. As long as I'm not using browns on a red lipstick, it should be okay. Okay, I got my little mirror here. Okay, I'm just grabbing this Morphe brush, again, no number. Get my own number. It's a W1 because it's white. I am going to go in this sunflower golden yellow. The only thing is there is no names for any of the shades that I can see on anything because the cover's clear, the back. So I'm gonna make up my own colors today. I'm gonna grab the sunflower. There is some, and by some I mean a lot of kickback. Did you see all that? Like, I just lost all my product. To be safe, I know there's gonna be fallout even though I already have the sun, but just to be safe, I set it out because I was thinking ahead. I'm gonna place a little loose powder right under here to catch any fallout. Okay, 3rd time's a charm. Sunflower yellow. Taking that just as a transition color. I haven't, like, I've swatched these, but besides 2 colors out of all 3 of these palettes, I have not used these at all. Online, they look super pigmented by, like, Pinky Rose's Instagram. Let's hope the color payout is there. That's on there. I mean, I see it, but I feel like it needs more. So I'm gonna go back and pick up some of this kickback. I don't know. Let me go over to the other eye and just see. I feel like the first time using kickback, not straight from the pan, that was more pigmented than going straight from the pan and dusting off all that kickback. Gonna go in again into that sunflower color and build this side up because I feel like with one, that was stronger with one than with my 3rd layer over here. There's another bug in here, and we literally, before I started recording, killed 2, and it was quite a show. I killed it with a hanger. Apparently I couldn't, but I did it. But now I see a 3rd bug in here, and I swear to holy Jesus, if there is buzzing in this video from a 3rd bug, I'm gonna be so irritated. And there it is, right behind the dang mirror. Oh my gosh, it flew away. I'm gonna get it. Got it. It looks like pollen is all over my vanity right now. Taking my Morphe M330. I'm gonna work my way, you're about to see all the fallout, hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. I'm about to work my way down this green. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them, but I'm gonna just work my way going lightest to darkest and build something up. That pollen literally went everywhere. It's all over the I Say Yes palette. Literally all over. Having some subculture nightmares currently with this palette. It's fine. We already started. It's fine. Gonna grab first green. Same. Still a lot of kickback. Literally, it's just like confetti. Yep, confetti. In the corner, right underneath, and down into that inner eye. I mean, I see it. And I guess I have a lot more building to go with all these greens. Not a lot. Like, I feel like you have to use a lot of product to get the color payout for how pigmented they look in the pan. I need to stop knocking it till we get to the end. That's how you, like, jinx this kind of stuff. I can just hear Carolyn creeping outside the door right now. Okay, maybe it's the lighting, but I legit feel like this eye stuff is showing up better than this eye. I don't know, but that's what I'm seeing in my mirror. I don't know if that's what shows on camera, but that's what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the next green shade down. Same brush, put it on there. Same area, building it all up. Isn't it so weird? Like, do you have a favorite eye when you do your makeup? Like, do you know, like, this is the better looking side of me. Like, this side definitely is my prettier self, and this is like the stepsister. And I see it, and that's the eye I'm liking more currently. Like, I legit feel like this eye just looks so much better. I think I'm gonna grab a little brush. I'm gonna grab this Glamour Dolls just so I can focus and really get it in this inner corner, because I am going for like a little halo eye. I want to make sure that color is represented in the inner corner. I'm legit like, I don't understand. Like, is that ketchup on camera? Like, this is just so much more pigmented than this side. Like, this side is very yellow and this side's very green. This isn't really the green I want yet, so I'm just gonna keep going down on the greens. Just in third green. Same brush. I'm gonna try to trick my eye. I'm gonna put on this one first, see if that does anything. I feel like I've never worn green eyeshadow, even for like St. Patrick's Day. I don't really do anything for that day, but I feel like I've never worn green eyeshadow, so I feel like this is like out there for me. Give me some credit. Hey, this isn't my normal brown smoky eye. I'm doing the exact same motion like I was doing for all of them. Just building up this green color. I don't know if you can see the back of this bun. It's pretty scary, but this bun has seen some things because I worked out yesterday, so I definitely washed my hair, and then I had full intent to record a video today, but then we decided to clean out the shed, and this humidity and this no wind stuff, like just the sweating in the Midwest is so real. Grab that little one. I literally sweated so much I needed to shower, but I was like, I'm not washing my hair again. I'm gonna have to go to the gym tomorrow because I sweat so much cleaning the shed. I don't need to go to the gym because I'm gonna justify it to myself to feel okay. This is a nasty bun, but like what I'm seeing, it looks pretty well put together. But I would just like to say, when I was going to the gym like literally every single day, 7 days a week for like, was that like 6 months? I was on such a good hair routine where I could go 3 gym days without washing my hair and you couldn't even tell. First day I'd be straightened, dry shampoo, then curl, dry shampoo, and then bun, and you couldn't even tell. And I had gone through 3 workouts. Okay, I'm gonna go to my last green because that one is very, like the very last one is a very camo green, and I don't think that's the color I'm going for, so I'm gonna go for this last green that's very foresty. Still same brush, still same kickback. Can you even see my little candle? I tried to be all cute, but I'm pretty sure I blocked my candle. I love, can you see it? Let me just dip out real quick. I love this wall. You can't see it all, but it's so cute. They're all makeup inspired, and it is like, it's my favorite. Like, this room is my favorite room in the whole house, but it is my favorite decoration in the house is this wall. Okay, I feel like I got all the green I want to get. I need to clean all this up, and Lord, please help this cleans up well or not. If not, it's just gonna be a mess. I'm just getting some translucent powder, not enough. Putting some on my Real Techniques 300. I think in my last video I called it 30. Definitely another 0 on there, Kori, but apparently you can't read either. I'm just sweeping this away. So I just want to pick this up and show you what I was talking about because it's gonna make a mess. I know the best way to do this because it's literally gonna make a mess. This one took all the battle wounds, all the yellow pollen on it. Show you this monstrosity. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm torn. So normally when I do a halo eye, I just spray my little flathead with some setting spray and then put it right over. But feel like if I want it more pigmented, I do need to put concealer down. But that terrifies me to put concealer down because if I just mess it up, it's gonna look crazy. So might as well make it look crazy. I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild little flathead brush, and then some ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Just gonna focus on this area, start small, hopefully don't lose control. Oh, my eyelids are flimsy. I'm trying to go all the way up, I don't know if this helps, all the way up like into my crease. That looked like I just stabbed my eyeball, because I did, because that's what it felt like. Let's be smarter than the average 5th grader and just scrape it off the applicator, rather than giving it one more surface to get absorbed and lost on Kori. I swear, like, you think I know something, and I really don't. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I didn't want to do. Work with it. We're just gonna work with it. I'm just rounding it out to make it a little softer. Now, let's get the other eye to have a similar splotch in the center. Does not match at all. That wasn't a victory dance. That was just an accepting it dance. I'm going to take this pretty color right here. Go back to my normal flathead Bugatti or whatever it's called. Dip into there. Guess I could have done double trouble and sprayed it with setting powder. This one has less kickback. I would hope so. It's a glitter. And now we're just gonna go over that. I lied. I want more of a reflective white. So I'm going to dip into that I said yes and grab that glitter white right there and see if that gives me more of the color I was wanting. Obviously I need to soften these edges like crazy. So I'm just dipping into the greens again. Dipping into that 4th green and just going on the inner and outer corner and just buffing it in there. And there's like one little spot. I just want like a little bit more white in, and I can't get it in that little spot. I can't tell just because it's so out of like my comfort zone. I honestly can't tell if I like it or not. We're gonna commit. Just gonna do it. I don't know, honestly, I don't know. That's just it. We're just gonna deal with it, and I feel like I do this every time. I can feel myself getting nervous and hot and like sweaty when I'm halfway through. I'm like, do I like it? Do I look it? Do I look it? Do I look it? Do I look crazy? I don't know. I'm just gonna go with it because it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna cheat. Nope. Oh my god, y'all. I forgot I didn't see it because it blended in with the Morphe and it didn't. I have another Pinky Rose palette. Do you have a purple I want? No. And I'm gonna use this one. This is the Just As Pinky Rose Cosmetic Luxury Eyeshadows. I couldn't have used this one in this because it literally is all my normal colors. But it just straight blended over there. I need like in for a certain color. I think I'm gonna go with this color. I'm going to jump into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and grab this purple shade. And then I'm going to take a e.l.f. smudge brush, a little bit shorter and thicker than that one I used to put the concealer down, to grab this purple. I'm just putting all the crazy colors on. Then none of them go together. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to put that on my lower lash. Can you see that? So much of that just got into my eyeball. Fine, just poisoning my eyeballs all for a couple views. That's what I look like. I look like I'm trying to do a St. Patrick's Day look, and that's all I was good for. I know. This is why I don't do color, because I just look crazy in the end. I'm just gonna add some finishing touches off camera, like some lashes, lipstick, and like maybe a little inner corner highlight, and then maybe when I all see it on, I'll get my life together and not look crazy, or I'll just look crazy and I'm still gonna post it because I recorded this. Okay, so I put on this purple. The purple is NYX. It's not at all the purple I was wanting, so I feel like I would like this color more if I used a brown. So I'm gonna put a brown lipstick on instead. But I wanted to like show you guys that I put this purple on and I just wasn't feeling this look. I feel like I literally look like Mardi Gras and Carnival had a baby on my face. Okay, final touches are on. I like this lipstick. Didn't check if I had any on my teeth. Awkward. I like this lipstick way better. This is NYX Lingerie in the shade Teddy, and I just feel like it goes together much better than that purple did. I don't look like a Halloween costume anymore, but okay, I think like in the end, per usual, I would just trust myself a little bit more, but I don't when it comes to this stuff. I actually think I do like the look. I don't know where I'd wear this to. I wear brown lipstick to work, but even then I kind of feel like people are like, So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'd wear it, but point being, I did it. I did a fun. Oh my gosh. I messed up my new palette. I I made a dig right into it. Oh, that's a sad day. She's sad. She's crying. We're gonna have the funeral later. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, seeing me panic, sweat it out. I'm sure if you zoom in or have this in high def, you're gonna see some sweat going on. That's all I have. I don't know anything else to say. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, still good of you. See you 5 people. That's so petty. That is literally so petty, but that's who I am. So I'm going to jump off of here. I'm going to take all this off and go to bed and get up at 7 in the morning when I think it's currently like 1:30 in the morning when I'm recording this, so we can go look at some glass door, because that is where we are in our exciting lives. Thanks for watching. Bye, potatoes.